Okay, one more maths I am solving. 3 hour, 24 hour. So 3 by 24 into 100. 25 by 2 equal to 12 complete 1 by 2%. Now number 7, it says express 240 gram as percent of 4 kg. First converter 4 kg means 4000 gram. So 240 by 4000 into 100 is the percentage. So that is 6%. Math number 8 to 14 is the problem related word. You should read the question. Math number 8, like read there. A man deposits rupees 1800 per month in his saving bank account. If this is 20% of the monthly income, if this is 20% of monthly income, find this monthly income. So I got 20% of monthly income. Monthly income I am assuming that is X. So 20% of X is 1800. Because it is said whatever amount he deposit in the bank, that is 20% of his monthly income. So I am assuming monthly income is X. So 20% of X is 1800. So follow the previous procedure, you can solve the math. ₹9,000. So his monthly income is 9,000. Okay, math number 12. Again you read from the book. An alloy contains 64% zinc. How many kg of alloy is required to 372 kg of zinc? There is 64% of zinc means if there is a 100 kg alloy, there will be 64 kg zinc. So if you want to get 372 kg of zinc, what amount of alloy you need? So you can solve like this. 100 kg alloy contain 64 kg zinc. So 1 kg alloy contains 64 by 100 kg zinc. So 372 kg, I have written that from the wrong side. That means you have to write 64 kg zinc available in 100 kg alloy. So 1 kg zinc available in 100 by 64 kg alloy. So 372 kg zinc available, just 100 into 372 by 64. Now minimize it. What? So I got 25 into 93 by 4 kg. Now convert it in decimal, you will get the answer. 25.5 by 4 means 6. 6.25 into 93. Multiply it, you will get the answer. So maths are very easy, just need to understand it carefully. In the next exercise is related to I am just explaining. You have to practice in home. If you are facing any problem, you can ask me the question. You have to increase or decrease. And you know the meaning of increase or decrease. If you want to increase some number, you have to add. If you want to decrease some number, you have to subtract. In the first math, increase 70 by 70%. 7%. That means you have to write 70 plus 7% of 70. This is the way. If there is a decrease, you just have to make it minus. And you know how to solve this. 49 by 10, that means 4.9. That will be 4.9. You can divide it, you will get that. So the answer becomes 74.9. If you want to decrease, just make it or just subtract it. There is nothing new. Like 2D, 90 by 2 complete 1 by 3%. You have to here decrease that. 2 means decrease here. That means subtract it. So I got 90 minus 21 by 10. That is 90 minus 2.1. That become 87.9. Math number 3, it is said, find the number when increased by 1.5% become 406. That means a number is increased by, I am assuming that number is x. You have to write that. I am assuming the number is x. I am increase the number x by 1.5%. 1.5% means 1.5 by 100. And that become 406. That means that is equal to 406. So you have to find out the x. So I got x into, if I minimize that, so if I do the LCM, I get 200x plus 3x by 200 equal to 406. So 200x plus 3x equal to 200, 3x by 200 equal to 406. So x equal to 406 into 200 by 203. So I got that number is 400. Whatever number is there, you have whatever maths is there, actually you have to solve in this way. If you are facing any problem at any time, you can call me, contact me. You have to practice this chapter in your home.